Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize your lock screen picture on LEDGER Flex. It is all very simple. All you need to do is go to the LEDGER Live app on your mobile device, because you'll need to use your mobile device to select a picture, right? Now here, go to My LEDGER, then simply click on your device, on the device list if it's near the phone. Now go to lock screen picture. Once I click on add, I think it will open my picture gallery, so I'll just select the photo. Yeah. Now you can edit it if you want by cropping it however you like, but I think it's fine like that. Set as lock screen, load picture, and it's basically how you do it. I don't really think there's more you'll need to do. Yeah, and you can keep it. And it's pretty weird because on the LEDGER stacks there was an option to change the contrast of the picture. So here I didn't see that option, and it's pretty weird, but it is how it is. If you want to change the contrast, you can just edit the picture in your phone's gallery. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.